In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funny sound effects in CapCut PC. To get started, go to the top left area of the CapCut interface and click on the Audio tab. This is where you'll find all of the audio tools and built-in sound resources available for your project. Once the audio panel opens, look just below it at the vertical category list and select the folder called Sound Effects. This will open CapCut's large, cloud-based library of free sound assets. It's a great place to find quick, polished effects that can make your edit feel more energetic, comedic, or dramatic without needing to import outside files. Next, if you want to find the right sound effect faster, click into the search bar near the top of the audio panel. Here you can type in simple keywords that match the style you're going for, such as funny, meme, or error, and then press Enter. CapCut will load a wide selection of matching results, usually displayed in a grid or list that makes browsing easy. As you look through the options, take your time and preview a few before choosing one. To do that, hover over a sound effect entry and click the small play icon. This gives you a quick preview so you can hear whether the sound matches the timing, tone, and type of joke or visual moment you're editing around. Once you've found the effect that works best, click the blue plus icon on the right side of that sounds row. CapCut will immediately add the sound effect to your timeline as a new green audio layer beneath your video track. From there, all you need to do is drag that green audio clip left or right until it lines up with the exact moment you want to emphasize on screen. For example, if you're highlighting a formula mistake, a pop-up, or any visual cue that should feel more playful or exaggerated, placing the sound at that precise point will make the joke land much better. Timing is what really makes funny sound effects work, so make small adjustments if needed until the audio feels perfectly synced with the action. Even a slight shift can change how effective the moment feels. Amusing audio accents and clean comedic sound design can be integrated into your project very easily in CapCut. Once your sound is placed correctly, you're all set, done.